Hi guys, Tiana Michelle here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be discussing different hacks and tricks for your Cricut machine. I have the Cricut Explorer Air 2, but you can also use these tips and tricks and hacks with any Cricut machine. So I posted a video before back in July, I believe. So this is just a little bit of an update to that video and additional tips and hacks. So let's get into the video. The first thing that I'm going to discuss are some Cricut tools or some other options for Cricut tools. So I do have some of the original Cricut tools that came with my machine. The weeding tool. I also have the scraper, the scoring tool. I have a large scraper, and I also have one of those smaller scrapers. And most of these I either bought together or I bought separate, but sometimes they can be a little pricey. So in my other video, I talked about some dental tools that you can get from Dollar Tree, but I also went on to Amazon and I found this kit. And everything that I talk about, if it's from Amazon, I'll link it down below. So I found this kit. It comes with the bag. And in the bag, you have, not really sure what this is. I've never used it before. But you also have a scraping tool that's very similar to the one from Cricut. As you can see, very similar. It also comes with the weeding tool, which is also very similar. And it comes with a pair of scissors. I don't have Cricut scissors, but these are very nice. I have these, which I got from, I believe, Joann's, and I prefer these better because they're a little bit more lightweight. It also came with several sizes of the scraping tool. It's a pack of 3 scraping tools, and they have these holes in them. So what I'll probably do is attach like my binder ring to it and hang it up on my wall. If you haven't watched my Cricut organization or Cricut storage video, I'll link it up above. You can go watch that one. I'll also link my original Cricut hacks video down below. This entire kit was only $5.99, and I think this is a very good deal. Also this is not from Amazon, this is from Dollar Tree. You have like a scraping tool option. I probably won't use this because I have so many scraping tools, but if you chose to use this one, it does have like a little ruler at the bottom. This is not really sharp, but people do add like a painting tape to the bottom. That's another scraping tool option. Dollar Tree, and this is from the Kitchen Owl. Another Cricut must-have are your mats, and I do have the original Cricut mat. This one is completely destroyed. I tried using the Awesome hack and the Dawn hack to clean it. It absolutely did not work for me unless I did it wrong. Whatever the case is, this one is trash unless you guys have some ideas on how I can revive it. So what I did do is I went on to Amazon and I bought these mats. It's by this company, Real Light, and these work great. They came 3 in a pack, and I believe they were $11.99 if I'm not mistaken. So these mats are pretty good and pretty good option in comparison to the Cricut mats. So with that being said, there are times when there is vinyl that you absolutely cannot see when you're trying to weed it out. So I have some options for you as to what you can use to weed out your vinyl, some lighting options. All right, so the first option is this lamp that I got from Amazon. It does come with a power cord, but if it's charged enough, then you don't need it. All you have to do is tap, and it has different settings. I believe there are 3 settings. So yeah, there's 3 settings for the lamp. And then what you would do is you will put your design under the lamp, and it will help you find what you're looking for. So I can see from this option that this is where you probably can't see it, but I can see that it shows me very much clear where I need to weed out. Like without the light, I can't see it at all. But with the light, it's very visible. So that's one option. I'll link this down below if you're interested in this light. The next option is this lamp board. It's a drawing board actually. And I also got this from Amazon. You do need a power cord for this board in order for it to work. So it has a power button here. And this one also has different lighting settings. So 3 modes or 3 options. And you would do the same as you would do with the lamp. You place your design on the board and you tap the lamp until it gives you the option that you need to see your design and start weeding. So this is a very good option, and I will link this down below as well. The last option, and I believe I saw this on TikTok. I don't remember who the original creator was. If you are the original creator, or if you know who the original creator is, please tag them. But this is a little drawer from Dollar Tree. You can find this on the home aisle, I believe. And then this is a LED light from Dollar Tree. Also, all you would do is turn the lamp on, turn the LED on, and then you would place your design here. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but from here I can see where I need to weed out my design. So this is very helpful and very economical. It's only $2. So if you're interested in this option, try this one out. Please be advised that this particular LED light is very bright, so be careful. They also have other LED light options at Dollar Tree. Another Cricut hack are these clamps. So these are heavy duty clamps from the hardware aisle, and these are clamps from the craft aisle. Obviously you get more in this pack, and these are smaller. So what you would do is, or how this is helpful. Alright, so you take your roll of vinyl, and so you don't want to cut your vinyl. So you're gonna take these clamps, and you're just going to clamp your vinyl down to your board. That way you don't have to worry about wasting vinyl. Not sure if I discussed this in my last video, but I also use, like, this is just a wipes container, and I just use this for my scraps. As you can see, it's kind of full. And what you would do is, while you're weeding, you can take off the vinyl from your weeding tool, and then you have storage for your scraps. Another option would be whenever I'm removing vinyl, I can just use this tool to put my vinyl in. Or another useful tip would be this Crafter's Square pencil and brush organizer, and I got this from Dollar Tree on the crafting aisle. Alright, so there's this nifty little organizer, and it's only $1. I also forgot to mention this mini iron that I have. I picked this up at Walmart. I believe it was $12.88. It's called a Steam Fast. You can compare it to the Cricut mini press, I believe it's called. I don't have one of those. This was much cheaper. I do have a mini press, an easy press. I believe this is the 9x9, but I also use this for smaller jobs. So this is also another item that you could use with your Cricut machine. All right, so the last Cricut tip that I have for you are these shirt sizers. I got these off of Amazon. Yeah, a pack of 5, and it comes in different sizes. So you have infant, you have toddler, you have youth, and then you have adult. And then it also came with a measuring tape. In my last video, I said that you could actually use a ruler to help you figure out where you need to place the design on your shirt. But this is actually a lot better, and it's easy to use. I'll insert a clip on how to use these. But okay, so this is an adult extra large shirt, and so I'm using the adult sizer, and you just put it around the ring of the neck of the shirt, and then this will tell you that you have equal parts on both sides of the shirt, and it'll also tell you where you need to center your vinyl. So this is telling me that the center of my shirt is right here in this spot. Oh, excuse my nails. And this is where we would need to press our shirt. But I used these on the last shirt that I created. It was phenomenal. So I do highly recommend these, and I will link it down below. Super cheap. It was like $9.99. So I do recommend these. That is all of the Cricut tips, tricks, and hacks I have for you today on this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all on the next video. Thank you, and see you on the next one.